Barbecue stingray. For the spices, we'll be using 1 lemongrass, 3 garlic, 6 shallots, 1 block of belacan, 2 onions, 7 fresh chilies, 1 tablespoon of tamarind, 3/4 cups of ikan bilis, and 12 pieces of dried chili. For easy blending later, we would like to slice up our lemongrass and quarter our onions. Here we snap off the tops of the chili. And we slice them up for easy blending. To get tamarind water, pour water over tamarind paste and massage it until the pulp enters the water and separates from the seeds. Filter with sieve. Wash ikan bilis under running water. And now your spices are ready for blending. Other than the tamarind water, place all the spices into the blender. Add some water for easy blending. Blitz it into a fine paste. And here we pan fry the paste in some oil until it becomes slightly dry and roasted and toasted. When the paste becomes drier, we add in the tamarind water and we continue cooking it until it becomes drier. And when it becomes drier, we add in a little bit more oil to toast the sambal, and the sambal is ready when the oil separates from the sambal. And here I have 1.5 kg of stingray. I prefer to have the skins removed so that it has a better mouthfeel with the sambal paste. Here I have a banana leaf heated over the pan. We coat the stingray with the sambal paste. And we coat the sambal paste on both sides of the stingray. The banana leaf will be in direct contact with the high heat for about 2 minutes. And we let the banana leaf be toasted on the pan. And right now we want to let the stingray be cooked through. Therefore we add the water and cover the pan with the lid so that the stingray can be steamed for 10 minutes. Gradually add water until 10 minutes is up for steaming. At the end of the steaming, you will see that the water content has disappeared from the pan and the banana leaf is continuing to be toasted, and it gives you this beautiful aroma. Once it's done, we would like to flip the banana leaf. Some of the contents have spilled up, but it's okay. Just put it back into the banana leaf and continue toasting the banana leaf. Once the other side of the banana leaf is toasted for about 2 minutes, your stingray is done. Bon appetit! And enjoy the sambal stingray with a chinchaluk onion relish.